first time. Hi guys, so welcome back to the channel. And guess what? We are going to a water park. Well, we're not gonna be swimming. It's just like playing in water. And this is my swimming suit. Really like it. She doesn't have a swimming suit yet. And Georgina, my friend, is coming. And look at my swimming suit. It's so sweet. I did my swimming suit. I just found on the road. I just did my swimming suit. And here's her swimming suit. She's gonna wear this a little bit later. Let me get this. Alright, so look my slime.
Thank
Not
you,
a nice
Mommy.
color, but
You're welcome, my
it's
little
good texture.
girl. There you go, my little. It's now 9:40 in the morning. And yung usapan namin ay 10:30. So, kaka-check ko lang ulit. Sa navigator ngayon sinasabi 20 minutes. Before it was 25. So, maybe wala nang traffic. Punta kami sa water park.
Mommy!
And this week is Ate Paris' last week ng school holidays. So next week balik na sila sa school. So kaya itong, bless you, ano? Itong friend ni Ate Paris, yung classmate niya, nasa lola siya ngayon. Tapos yung lola niya yung nag-message sa akin. Sabi niya kung available daw kami for play date. And sabi, today, it's either today, Tuesday, yes, ano? Yes, baby.
Ate can.
Ayaw, ate.
This car.
It's either today, Tuesday, or Wednesday kasi uuwi na sila sa Thursday. And sabi ko, unfortunately, we can't do Tuesday and Wednesday kasi bukas may dental appointment sa Ate Paris. So, we agreed na today. So, doon kung malapit sila, saan sila malapit mag-stay.
I had you.
Okay, you can, Baba. Oh my God, come here, anak.
I have you, Mommy.
You can help me, baby girl.
I have you.
Do you wanna stir my coffee?
Yeah.
Okay. Stir my coffee.
He's scared. Yeah, this one's
Careful,
Linis.
because it's hot.
This Linis.
That's Linis. That's for Laida. So, alis kami dito. Mga 10 o'clock, okay na yan. So, magkape muna ako. Yung mga kids, nakakain na.
I'm full, my bro.
What is it, baby?
Full.
You're full! Lagay lang ako ng sunscreen sa mukha. Say bye-bye, Dada.
I'm at the gym.
Dada, gym.
At the gym.
Say bye-bye. Carol, Daddy. See you soon, Dida. Honey! Pelini!
Charging.
Bye-bye, Daddy.
Come stop, bye-bye. Have fun, Lily.
Are you going to gym?
Anna.
Wait, where's your middle children?
We need too many questions. Sige, Daddy.
Hey guys!
Ayan, oh, dyan na. Come on, ayan, nakabihis na ang ating baby Celine.
Mom.
Meron ng mga hot. Lagyan ko lang muna to sila ng sunscreen. Come on, because it's just I'm gonna put some sunscreen on. Come on. And we gotta go find Georgina. Huh? Okay, I'll fix it. So, I'll fix it. Come. Oy, kalagay pa dami. Complaining bata ah. Okay, I'll fix it. Okay, sunscreen, guys. Nag-message na ako, oh. Sabi ko, we just park. Hindi pa man nabasa. Ang dami kasing tao dito, hindi ko alam kung nasaan silang banda. You want Mama to help, Ling? You're back, Ling Ling. Abi, ate, be. Ate! Did you do your leg?
I already put on my leg.
Okay. Baby.
Me two more. Hey,
Mahay ka karang.
give me one.
You're back as well. Okay. I know you are hungry, Papa. Iniwan namin si Ate Paris doon, guys, kasama yung kanyang friend. Kasi ito ay nagugutom.
At the palace.
Yes. We are ordering. Ate is having a flight. Across the road lang naman. You're getting chips and calamari rings and nuggets.
Where's At's palace?
Paris is having a play. Okay? Tingnan nyo basang-basa oh. Wow. You having fun now? Are you having fun? Wow. Kanina pinapakain. Ayaw kumain sa bahay. Tingnan mo yun. Ay, kumain na siya pero banana lang. So, ito yung aming order. Yeah. Ate Paris is having so much fun. Yung pagkain namin dadalhin namin doon, guys. Para ma-share din. So, this is my bag for today. Oh my god, it's so cute. It's my first time using it. Yeah, I said when it's ready, we have to bring it back. I'll show you what's in my basa-basa bag. I've got extra dress for Lily.
No, that's mine.
Nappy for after.
That's not mine.
That's not yours? Okay.
That's mine. That's mine.
This is Lily's dress. Gusto niya suotin mo yun. Favorite dress niya. Sa kanyang ate. Pero later. It's for later when you're done playing. I've got dress for Ate Paris. This is what I love about this bag, guys.
No.
Pasok mo lahat. Yung buhay mo dito. Sunscreen. Two bottles of water. What's going on? Take it off? 1, 2, 3. Oopsie, oopsie. Yeah. You want to take this off as well? Later. We can take it off here now because we're with a lot of people.
No, no.
Another,
No, I don't want to.
honey, I think this one is
I want to wear.
Use your dress. You can hold it, but you can't wear it as yet. This will get wet. This will get wet and you'll be cold later. You got undies for the Paris and ano pa meron dito? Lip balm. Yes, baby. You want some lipstick? Yeah. You done?
No, I'm not done.
Are you done?
No?
Buti na lang dumating kami dito ng mas maaga. Dumami yung maaga. Dumami yung anak. Si Miss Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Ito mama. Ito mama.
Don't show her there, Jamie. Watch her. What's in there? Oh.
Yummy?
Yeah.
Chips.
Sometimes
Yeah.
they're called,
Yeah.
Real quick.
Yeah, we'll come back.
Don't they show my mother's power?
Wow, beautiful power.
Like written in a different way.
Okay.
Paris, it is cool.
Alright, lucky girls, guys. They're having some ice cream after the basa-basa doon.
No. That's Celine's triple swirl. That's Celine's. There's no rainbow. Yeah, it's called triple swirl. scroll.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I
I'll have a look.
I can read every single one.
Time check tayo guys. It's now nearly 3 o'clock ng hapon. So kakauwi lang namin. Is mami nyo nagmamadali kasi kailangan ko nang pumunta ng post office. I have a few stuff to post today. Sold 4 from eBay and 2 sa Facebook Marketplace. And kanina, nung nasa kami, dinala ko yung mga kids doon sa paliguan, ay may nag-pick up. Buti na lang, daddy's working from home today and si daddy yung nag-asikaso. Si daddy yung pinabigay ko ng dalawang bags. So, I'm feeling blessed. Feeling blessed naman ako always, guys. But, you know, I'm extra blessed today. So, I sold these. Ipapack ko lang sila, guys. So, it's 3 o'clock, 5 o'clock mag-close yung post office. And I have a few stuff to pack. So, got the Louis Vuitton Never Full. Ayan, yun natin po may time para walang reklamo si ate.
Mama,
Yes, baby.
you know what April Fool's Georgina did on me?
Mm-hmm.
I was going to splash her again and say April Fool again.
Mm-hmm.
But she tricked me. Because I didn't know that was her. That she just splashed to me of her head. I didn't know who that was. She just splashed me and I said, then she said April Fool.
April Fools.
Never sad
So
for
this
me.
one as well, guys. Blazer from Zara. And this scarf from Burberry. And this Louis Vuitton silk na scarf. Nakuha ko na ang lahat. At ito, napangalanan ko na. Ayan, ito napangalanan ko na din. May mga details na to. So, i-drop ko lang to. Tapos, bayad ako ng shipping fee. Ayan. Then, this one. Pero ito silang dalawa. The same yung owner nito. Yung ganito ko kasi, yung tote bag ko kasi dito sa bahay large lang. Tapos, itong dalawa, kasi the same destination ito. Hindi sila magkasya sa isang large. So, kailangan ko to siyang bitbitin sa post office. Maghahanap ako ng mas malaking bag doon. So, yan. Malapit na siyang mag 3:30. Tapos si Daddy Mike nag-lunch break. So, hindi muna ako makakapunta ng post office. Hindi ko dadalhin yung mga kids. Hintayin ko na lang na makauwi siya. Sabi niya, mga 4 o'clock daw siya matatapos. And then, pagbalik niya dito, straight na ako ng post office. So, kakatapos ko lang mag-pack. And now, I'm going to put Celine for a nap. Para mamaya pagdating ng tatay niya, I can just go to the post office by myself. At Paris, dito lang din sa bahay. Kailangan to silang ma-post today. Wakey na. Alam nito, nakatulog siya kanina. Pag, uwi namin from swimming. And, Louie, hi there. Ito. Kailangan kong gisingin kasi anong oras na. Out. Hello, my baby kid. Hello, my baby kid. Ito rin isa kayo. Uy. What's Louie doing? Uy, it's late naman. It's late naman, palangka. Asyosh, ayan. Very tired din siya kanina sa ligo-ligo. Basa-basa pa more. Asyosh! Wala. Nagpukul na si Louie. Hello. Asyosh! How was your nap? Good. Nakauwi na lang kami ng ate niya galing post office. Tulog pa rin. Up. Mama, sit here, okay? Okay? Good boy. Good. Uy. Bob, Louie just like, is she okay?
Huh?
Louie like straight away run to you. Daddy, okay?
Personally, 2022
What is it you want, my baby girl? What is it you want? Ah! You okay? Josh, gusto po na pilapin. Kumi ate. Did you finish it all? Bantay ka lang dito.
Finish what?
Bread.
So 4 years na dito. 4 years ko dito nahasa ko. You put potatoes.
Come here, anak. Come here ba?
Let's put what?
We're gonna have, well actually the kids will have this guys. Ano ba to? Yeah, lamb cutlets for dinner. Tapos nagluto na rin ako ng mais with it. So, sabi ni Daddy Mike, ito daw lang yung lutuin ko kasi siya daw yung magluluto ng para sa amin. Ito yung for kids.
They're regulated like they're not regulated like a bank's regulated. But they do have their own
Ice?
rules in place. So
She's an ice cream. Mommy.
wines or something.
Mommy. And I also hope they won't actually do it how you do it. That's what I hope. Hey guys, we're just talking about pulling my teeth out tomorrow.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, and Paris will have one tooth. Needs to be pulled tomorrow.
But Daddy is going to dentist tomorrow.
Honey girl, what are you
And
doing?
guess what? And guess what? And guess what?
Guess what?
He's actually going to go to the dentist first. He's going to the dentist too. But guess what? He's pulling all of his teeth out.
Hey Lenny, did you have fun today?
Yeah.
Did you play with Gina?
Yeah. After that, because I
No?
love so much.
Did Auntie play with Gina?
Who did you see?
I'm not there, but Gina.
No, the other girl.
Lena.
Luna. Luna was there too?
I think that knows Lena.
Yeah, I didn't know Luna.
Oh, Luna.
Yeah. She goes to my school now.
Oh yeah, the crap. Oh yeah.
We saw her at the park. What the park?
Paris, have a look at your sister lang, ah.
Did the mum say hello to you for us, Mummy?
10... What time is it? 10:30 to 1 ba? And they still don't want to go. How many hours is that?